Welcome to today's video on how to use AI to create a website for your business in under 10 minutes. Gone are the days of having to know how to code or design and having to spend lots of money on web developers and designers. We will take a look at an AI website builder that will generate a website layout in a few minutes. We will then take a look at how to customize the website styles, change the website content, add web pages, and make the website live. Now let's start with the first AI website builder, which can be found at www.durable.co, and click the Generate Your Website button found on the homepage. Then we need to enter the type of business that we have. For this video, let's put coffee shop. Then let's click the next button. Then we need to enter the location of our business. For this video, let's put Knightsbridge, London. Then let's click the website language and make sure that it is in English for this video. Then let's click the next button. And then finally, let's enter the business name. For our coffee shop example, let's put Lux Coffee Shop and click Generate Website to get things rolling. And after just a few seconds, we then have a layout for our website. Now we have our layout, let's click Customize to look at how we can make changes. This will prompt us to make an account, so let's make one. Now let's check out the website layout. To have a proper look at the layout, let's click the Preview button in the top right corner of the page, then click Preview. At the top of the website homepage, we can see that it has generated a nav bar with a logo in the top left. We can also see that it has generated some text and a call to action button. I think Indulge in Rich Aromas sounds pretty good, and Visit Now is a strong call to get customers through the door. Now, if we scroll down the page, we can see a paragraph describing how visiting our coffee shop is more than coffee. It is an experience like no other. Perfectly fitting for our coffee shop located in the affluent area of Kensington, London. Then further down, we have another heading and a call to action button. And then below that, we have a grid of images showing areas of our coffee shop and coffee. Now these are just stock placeholders in which we would add images of our own coffee shop. And finally, at the bottom of the page, we have a map showing where the coffee shop is located and the footer of the website. Now if we go back to the website builder, we can see what the website would look like on other devices such as a tablet or mobile, by clicking the button on the top nav with a computer icon and choosing the different devices. As we can see, the website is responsive as it works on both tablet and mobile. Now if we go back to desktop view, we can take a look at how to change the theme of the website by clicking the Themes button at the right of the top nav bar. If we look at the right of the page, we can see a panel labeled Themes. From this panel, we can change the color palette, the types of fonts used, the styles of the buttons, and also the animations on the page. Now let's click on Color Palette and see what our site would look like with different colors. Now let's click on a few of the palettes and see how it changes our website. If you click the drop-down, then you can get different varieties of color palette, such as warm or retro. If you click the Custom tab, then you can choose your own custom palette to match your brand's colors. Now let's go back and quickly change the website font. And click Done in the top right of the panel to save the theme changes. Now let's take a quick look at how to add widgets to our website by clicking the Widgets button in the top right nav bar. For this example, let's choose the Cookie Notice widget by selecting it from the Widgets modal. Then click the cross or close button so we can take a look at the widget settings. From the widget panel, we can see that you change the content of the cookie consent widget as well as the style of it. For today's example, we will just leave it as it is. Now let's save everything we have changed by clicking the Save button found in the top left of the page. Now, if we want to add more pages to our website, we just click the plus icon in the center of the top nav bar. And we can choose from a variety of templates. Let's add a new contact page for customers who want to know how to get in contact. Then just after a few seconds, we have us a contact page matching the overall layout and context of our coffee shop website. Now let's add an About Us page. If you click the Pages drop-down that is in the center of the top nav, then you can navigate through all the website pages. From the Pages drop-down, you can also click on the Settings icon to manually add a page title or page description for SEO, or just click on the Regenerate button to get AI to do it for you. Now let's take a quick look at customizing individual components of our website by customizing the homepage banner. Let's click Edit. Then change the button label. Let's also link the button click to the About page on our website and set the page to open up in a new tab. Now if we go back, you can see that we can change the content and the styles in the component. Here we can also change the heading size, the animation type, the background image in the banner, and can also add dividers or borders. Now let's go to our paragraph component and see how the regeneration feature can rework the component content by just clicking content from the Regenerate dropdown. Then just like that, we have a whole new paragraph telling customers why they should visit our coffee shop. Now if we want to view our website, then we just click the preview button in the top right nav bar and then click the preview button from the modal that opens up. But if we wanted to publish to our own custom domain, then we would just press the Upgrade Now button. If you were to upgrade from the free plan to the startup plan, then you can use custom domains, more advanced AI features, add more pages, and use advanced widgets, all just for $15 a month. For info on the pricing and plans, please check out the video description.
Please like the video and subscribe for more videos on how to use AI and on how others use AI in different industries.